Hello, all beautiful minds. My name is Faded, and today I'm going to show you a cool Windows way of dealing with annoyingly heavy and large Excel.csv files. So, I faced this issue when I was dealing with a very large CSV Excel file, and I'll just show you the properties of the file. It is 285 megabytes of a file, so it's a very large CSV file. So if you try to open it, it doesn't actually opens. Let me show you guys. It's actually a very heavy CSV file. So what do we do now? If you can't open it, how do we deal with these kind of files? So it shows the data could not be loaded completely because the maximum number of characters per cells was exceeded, right? So we can't open this file up, so we'll just close this. We'll try to close it. So what did I do next? I went through Google Drive spreadsheet and I tried to upload it. I tried to import it actually and see what happened then. Must not take time. Okay, so let it upload. After that, I searched for some online tools to split large CSV files. Then I landed to this website. I figured to crash this website too, and it was a server failed to process the request. So this website couldn't also handle the large file. So I searched a very few articles about how to run these kind of files on Windows. So I found out this particular script on which we can put on the folder location. I'll just show you how. Let me show you what happened when we uploaded the sheet on Google Drive, Google spreadsheet. I choose to insert new sheet. See, it shows too large to import, remove rows or columns and try again. So when it shows remove rows or columns, we hit splitting on our mind, right? So I thought of searching for this, and then I landed on this, and then I found this code out of some forum which I want to share with you guys today. And we just need to copy. I just provide this link to this code, notepad file, in the description. And what we have to do next is open Windows PowerShell and just I'll just copy the code firstly to the notepad. Just a moment. Let me deal with it. So here you can see. So it's a path to your CSV file. Okay, so how do you copy it? Let me open this file and let me split this CSV as an example. I've already splitted a CSV file which was a shard one, which got splitted to like 28.4 megabytes each. I'll show you how it happened. And we just need to copy the path of this file and make sure to remove this double inverted commas before pasting it. And just cut it and paste it in between this single inverted commas, and just copy this whole code and open Windows PowerShell again. And you don't have to do anything else. You just have to paste the code pressing Ctrl plus V Just a moment, and hit enter and let that happen. Let's wait for some time. It will take some time. Yeah, I created the first shard. You can see it is renamed as Faded Shards 1 because I've named the output file to be Faded Shards over here. You can rename it to anything if you wish. You can rename it to anything. The output file name would be that, the prefix of the file. So we'll let it happen and we'll just pause the video. So it did took us a couple of minutes and it has completed sharding 21 files, and let's see what it sharded. We must find it in this folder. I'll just show you. Just go to this PC, C drive, users, and your name of the user, and you'll find the sharded files here. So let's copy it over to a folder to sort the database. And earlier I forgot to mention that this kind of trick can really help people working in LPOs, because I've worked there before and I've dealt with a lot of CSV files. So people working there must have benefit from this trick. So I'll upload this. I'll create a new folder first. I'll paste it here, and likewise the data is sorted. I'll just copy it and make it part 2. Just a quick one. And likewise you can create several folders according to you. Now we can delete this sheet. So let me show you any of it. Now we are able to open and view this. Let me discard the previous recovery, and now we can open and view this large CSV file by splitting it in Windows. So I'm using LibreOffice for viewing this CSV file. You can use Excel and any other CSV file viewer. So here you can see the database. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Byte Theories are helping you guys to we are sharing good content, and we wish to provide more good contents in the future. And thank you for your time. Hope my trick really helped you. Thank you.